welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can check serial number of your Huawei FreeBuds 5i. So we got two methods. The first one, you can make it in this Huawei FreeBuds in the Huawei AI Live application. So open the case, be connected with the app and the phone, select your device, click on the right upper corner, select device settings and go for the device information. Right here you will find serial number of your FreeBuds in this place. And the second method, it's also very simple. You can just simply open the charging case, remove one of the earbud and it will be appears in this place. I'm gonna zoom in to show you how it looks inside. Okay, I mean on the left side actually, so let me just remove the left. And the serial number appears in this place. I hope that right now on the left side you are able to find it right now. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.